Hello, hello, unintelligent Italian dwarfs under the age of 6. Welcome back to another OG Vlogger video, and today I am going to be joined by your boy, Julesy Conti, right here. Hey, buddy.
What's up, homie?
So, you know, we're just hitting you up with that average day vlogs. That's just how we do it out here in the OG Vloggers. You know, some people, you know, don't believe in collabing like this, but you know, we have to mix everyone in here. You know, everyone deserves a chance. And I think Jules is definitely vlogger quality. I think he definitely is. So, you know, it's a beautiful day out here in New Jersey. Just gonna go hit up 7-Eleven, you know, our homies. Shout out to 7-Eleven. Thank you for sponsoring this video. So, you know, we're just skating right now, just going to 7-Eleven in New Jersey, and it's a beautiful day right now, you know, just hitting it up with that vlog. Dude, we out here with our $700 camera. Jules? We only...
You know how we get our money from 7-Eleven?
Oh my gosh, I love 7-Eleven. Thank you.
We saw this guy in the alley. He was like 8 years old. And I was like, what's up, homie? And he's like, can you donate some money to me? I'm poor. And then I'm like, yo, we need that money for 7-Eleven. It's hot AF out.
Oh, yeah.
I want a Slurpee.
Yeah.
Then, so guess what I was like? I was like, what's up? And I put the shit out of him.
Yeah,
And he stole the $5.
Yeah. See, that's how we do it.
Just kidding, kids. Do not steal.
Yeah, don't steal.
Get your education.
Don't steal.
Education is key.
Oh yeah, by the way, guys, I was just kidding. We're actually not in New Jersey. We're in Canada. But
Beautiful day in Canada.
yeah, man, I play hockey. Hockey goes great with my
Play
brewski.
hockey on the Skinny Penis team.
Oh yeah, yeah, I was gonna say something else, but that works. But you know, it's a nice day out in Canada. Well, it really always is, you know.
Yeah.
It's a nice day.
Besides, when
Yo, hit me up, Big Time Rush, if you want to do a collab. Yeah, they were in Canada, I think. You see some people.
the other day.
Yeah, we did a collab the other day with Big Time Rush. That was pretty nice. Shout out to BT.
They'll be going up next week.
Yeah, shout out to BTR. But
Operation.
yeah, they're great people. I mean, yeah, the only other people that are better is 7-Eleven. So yeah, it's just a nice day today out in Canada. Just vlogging. 'Cause, you know, we gotta. Oh, hello, puppy.
Yo,
Hello.
dog.
Hey there, buddy.
Hello, dog. You're very cute.
You know, we gotta give you guys the best quality videos we can. But no, we will be.
God, what would you like to see in the future?
Yeah, comment.
See me back in videos?
Hashtag comment down below if you want your boy Julesy Conti in the next video, or possibly in a few weeks. But I'm gonna be back when we're at 7-Eleven. Alright, so we just pulled up on our local elementary school, Maple Leaf Academy. Thank you guys for sponsoring this video. But you know, Jules is still here.
Yeah, what's up, guys?
You know, he's good to have on this. He's good to have. I think he's definitely welcome on the vlog. You know, comment down below if you still want to see Jules in these videos.
Yeah, because, like, I don't know.
You know,
I have my own channel, you know.
Yeah.
Subscribe.
Yeah.
It's called...
No, he does not have a channel. Don't lie, Jules. We don't lie on this channel.
Yeah, I'm sorry,
but he might make his own channel. He might. But if he does, I will always have that in the description. But, you know, this is our second video, so you know we got to make it good.
Yeah.
You know, I have these really nice flip-flops that my grandma gave me. So, like, we might have to do a giveaway on that.
Yeah.
So comment down below if you want these really old flip-flops.
Show them the flip-flops. Show them the flip-flops.
All right. They're really nice. Like, here, let me get a little better view on them. So, they're pretty darn nice. I'm not even lying. Jules, are you on your phone right now?
Mm-hmm.
He's checking his notifications. But, you know, we're just updating you guys with the vlog. 'Cause, you know, we have to give you the best content that you guys deserve. Thank you, Maple Leaf Academy, for sponsoring this video. Oh, and if you guys like are interested in like free Takis, you can go on eBay and you can get good deals on Takis.
And comment down below what you want to see, you know.
Yeah,
It's all about you. Without
maybe.
views would not be possible. Because, like,
yeah, you guys are the best.
we'd just be sitting here talking to a camera.
Yeah, like what's the point of that? And anyways, you know, we're just having a fun day. You know, we have like parties with like girls after this.
That's about to be lit.
Yeah, it's about to be lit. Like maybe kiss some girls. That's what I do. But yeah, this is just your average vlog, man. I mean, the OG vloggers, we're OG for one reason. We don't do this clickbait. Nah, man, that's not needed. We go with our own title. Jules, get off your phone right now. Okay. Comment down below if you want also us to do life hacks, because I got a few. If you need to go poop, but like you're constipated, if you put a stool and like you put your feet on it, that makes it like come out easier. So if you guys like that life hack,
Oh shit.
comment comment down below if you want to see more, because like I got a lot. Shout out to my dad for finding out that life hack on Yahoo. But anyways, so we hit up 7-Eleven. The lady was very nice. She actually gave us a very good deal on the Takis. So, you know, like, go give some support to 7-Eleven. They're a great place. Jules, you want to get off your phone and come back up here and talk to the camera? Yeah, he just slipped, and he was talking to girls, so he's allowed to go on his phone. But you know, this school really goes good with my brewski. Cause like everything goes good with my brewski. If you guys want to see us do trying American food taste test, we can do that.
Yeah, like, you know, I just got these things. They're called hot dogs.
Hot dogs. What are those?
Like, I don't know if they're actually like chopped
Yo,
up
so
dogs.
we're having a lot of hate in the comment section on how we don't sound Canadian, and I don't know why you guys care so much, but the thing is, my mom is African. Okay, Jules, his mom is white and his dad's white, but my mom's African, so that's why I'm Canadian. My mom moved to Canada in 1998, and you know, she stayed there for 3 years. She was in love with it, and then she was like, she had me, and you know, Colin was born. Your boy, Wolfie, and Jules, do you want to give your story?
So, you know, yeah, like, so my parents, Colin's just lied. Colin's a liar. He said both of my parents are white. That's a lie. My mom, she's a little darker than me. Look at my arm. Just imagine like one shade darker.
One shade darker.
And then my dad is like as white as Colin, you know, like snow.
Yeah.
And then they were like,
whoa, hey, come on. So, bro. Some people don't know this, but the OG vloggers actually, they know how to do parkour. Comment down below if you guys want to see us do parkour tutorials. So the first move I'm going to be showing you guys today is how to do the patented monkey crawl. So just get your shoes off. You don't need these. So once you take those bad boys off, you're gonna. Sweet, my feet are sweaty.
that's disgusting. It need to get better for you. Use from the 6.
So yeah, we're just gonna parkour it. Jules, hold on. Hey, there's just a guy there. Oh shit. Okay. Working? Hey guys.
Just had some technical
difficulties. No, we don't lie. You know, had to delete Crossy Road. Didn't want to do it, but I had to. Actually, I got bit by a fire ant while I was up here. You know, sometimes YouTubers
Pray see Wolfie.
Sometimes YouTubers like us get bit by ants, but that happens. So now we're gonna continue parkour. Oh. So you know, parkour can be hard, but when you're good at it, like us,
it's easy. Get it?
It's easy as 1, 2, 3. This is so easy, and it's too easy. See? What I'm doing right now?
Jump, 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 jump.
Oh, my feet are so sweaty. My God, I'm like sweating and crying at the same time. So, you know, I'm just gonna finish off with a nice 540 bar spin. Oh, shit, I just fell. Oh! Oh, I hit my knee. Oh, Joe, that hurt. Oh.
Are you okay, Missy Wolfie?
Yeah, I'm alright. I'm okay. Oh, no, I'm not. No, I'm not okay. Yes, I am okay. Oh, my knee.
Oh, no. Oh, no, Colin.
I get that in slow motion. Oh, man. So, if you guys can get a close-up on that injury right there. See that right there? See that injury? Right there. Bruised my knee for you guys.
Hold on, that's not the glare. The glare, turn around.
Oh, that freaking glare. Oh.
Freaking
Oh,
glare.
that hurt.
Go right there, Colin.
Oh, that hurt. Look at that.
As you can see.
Smacked the knee right on that red bar. That's what I do for you guys. You know? Oh, I can get that flip-flop. I'm alright. It's a parkour injury. Now, give me the phone.
Alright. It's OG Vloggers signing out. This is Jay Conti signing out. All right, see you, homies.
All right, that was Jules. You know, it was a pleasure having you, Jules, on the channel.
Thanks, bud.
Oh, other than my knee hurting really bad right now, I have to go put some frozen peas or lasagna on that. But other than that, guys, this has been the OG Vloggers 757. Hit that subscribe button, you know, for my knee. Hashtag RIP Colin's knee. Oh, hashtag get well soon, Colin, down in the comment section. You know, if you want to go hit up Jules' Instagram. Jules, would you like to say your Instagram? Would you want?
Yeah, add me on all social media at jconti98. I have Twitter, Instagram,
Okay.
Musical.ly, and Snapchat.
Okay.
So add me on.
Yeah, add him on that. I'll put that in the description in a little bit. Probably won't be immediately. I'll put my social media in the description. And guys, stay tuned. Video in about 2 hours. We're gonna have another video coming out because your boy Jacob from the Q&A first video, he is coming over to my house today. So there's gonna be this is a 2 videos in one day. This is a special day. So come on, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button for 2 videos in one day. It's your boy C Wolfie signing out from the OG Vloggers. We'll see you.